Hello guys, today I'm playing Minecraft. Others. Hello guys, back again. I'm going to this guy again. Yeah, anyway, I'm just waiting. So, I'll just. Yeah, bruh. Yeah. Hey, sir, bro. Hey, sir. I can jump in. See, that's hard. Yeah, you thought that's hard? You, you thought that's hard? That's easy to me. Go cock. Go cock. Look, Aya, that's easy to me. Look, Aya, look. I got diamond. Aya, look. Do. Can you give me some diamond? Yeah. Okay. I got some snowballs. I have snow sword. I have either some of iron. No, actually give that to me, please. No, I will not give you my precious. Wait a minute. If you kill me, no, Aya, chill. Don't kill me. I'm just meaning my business. Aya, chill. Aya, chill. If I kill you, I will give you some diamonds. Nope. Okay, no. Not going to buy that. Easy. I'll just go here. This is a cozy house. See. Oh. Wait, there's. I have a 57 search. Look at me. I'm full armor. I'm full armor. Gee. Look at me. I'm full armor. Look at me. No! Hey! Ang bahay mo. Okay. Uy. Spirosis ka talagang bata ka. Ayun. Leptospirosis talaga ng kuya. Uy, Mario. Let's go, Mario. Some wood and fish. Some foods. Some foods. Can you give me some? No. Okay, I will not kill you. No. I'll give you my iron. No. I'll give you my diamond. It's gone. Wait, that food is gone. Hey, you don't save me some. Bye, dream. Next time, Maya, I'm going to get back, but I'm much more fatter than you. You're much fatter than me. I'm going to get back and be much. Not so please, bro. Wait. Wow, good game. GG's, Aya. What? Guess what I got. You have a table. No, I got iron. I got 9 iron. I have 61 iron. Wait, what? 65 iron? 61. Bro, that's joking. You gotta be joking. Look at my clothes. Look at 61, bro. You ain't joking. Yeah. Bro ain't joking. You're going to be dead, Bama. Secret sacred weapon. I don't care. You're going to be gone, buddy. You're not. I can clutch this, Aya. Ay, wag mong tignan yung ano, yung naka-chat, nakakasulat sa chat. Ah! Ay, ay, ay. Bro, I was going my aura, bro. Like my aura. Bro, why? Bro, I didn't poop. I didn't poop. Just kidding, just kidding. I didn't poop. I did not poop. Shrek no, okay? Bro, you... No. I think you just cheated. Mama chocolate. Teleport there to you. Can I? Naturally, no. But I'm doing something here, okay? You're going to mess this up. I have a plan. How to get beyond. With you a cheater and me not a loser, I'll be winner. Can I? To you, please. One thing. Give me 5 iron. Okay. Let's okay. I see something. Okay. Hey. Wait, guys. No. No. I can do this. Okay. Your phone is hard, bro. Ah, yeah! Yeah! Gusto mo mag-lift tayo? Di na kita bigyan. Ah, yeah, you have diamonds. Bro, you have diamonds and you're just going to cry. Bro, now give me your diamonds. I thought it was iron. Give me your iron. Come here. Give me your... Oh, that's what you want, huh? I'll steal from your house. Where is... Okay. Oh, I found your house. There is your house. I'm going to steal some. Give me all your iron now. Right here, right now. Okay, you want there, huh? What? You want a competition? Okay. I found your house. Okay, I will give you. I will give you. I'll tell you. I will give you. Hindi, wag! I just take the snowball. Kailangan ko Okay, don't be mad. I hate you. Okay, give me the iron first. Yes, sir. Oh. Aya, why'd you do that? Oh my. Give me that. Give me your iron first. Okay. Sorry, because it will. Thank you. Hey, that's all of my iron. You give it to me. Wait. Sumamo ako. Tay, inuubos na ni Kuya lahat ng iron ko. Ito pa kailangan. Ito pa meron pa 25. You have more. You have it. You know Okay, don't kill me. Don't kill. Aya, don't use your axe, okay? Don't use that. That's my. I'm just going to. Nasaan ba yung house? Alam mo, nasaan yung house? Liwag. Ayoko na sa'yo. Okay, I know. Hey! Sorry! Bro, you didn't tell me you're in one heart. Yeah. Bro, you're in one heart. This is your house. Aya, this is your house. Seriously? This is going to be my house now. And your house. No. My house and your house. No. Why? That's my house. Bro, why is this dirt? Why is this dirt? What's that dirt? Don't kill me with my axe. With your axe, okay? Okay. Well, I kill you with this. Look, I am my secret weapon. Look at my secret weapon. Where are you? I'm going to kill you with my secret weapon. There. I am ready to fight you. Wait, I cannot run. Nah, I need food. I have 2 food. I will not give you some. No, I need. I'm going to kill that sheep. Come here, sheepy boy. What's color? What is color? No food. I will not give you some. Only we're back on the only if I want food. Okay, I will give you my food. No, I have to run from this. I need food. Didn't you have any food? Okay, I will give you some food. I'm killing all the animals here. Even that dog. Bro, I was so hungry, bro. Can you give me a little lava? Chicken. Steve, I'm checking, take a look really hard. Oh, bro, I'm going to die. Oh, food! Oh, food! Wait a minute. Good thing you have. Oh, more food. More food. Come here. Let's go. Good thing it's not here. Where is my house? Where are you? Bro, you? Wait. I found a village. Wait. No food! I have 4 food here. Is there blue bed? Wow, go. Oh, more snowball. Give me back my snowball. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to give you 14 snowballs. What you looking at that? Wait, can you trade? No, you cannot trade. Are you going to trade with me? Bro, that's dumb page, bro. You know what?
Ano dito? Nagtatap ko ng ulit kasi mga ginawa niya yan. Hindi yan para sabihin dumb.
The villagers build this. The villagers. Bro, the villagers.
Yes.
Ayun. Okay. Wow. Kaya, what I got is fans. I got pants.
Seriously.
Bro, what in the world is this, bro? Okay, food. Thank you for the food. Oh. Yeah, there goes. It was an absolute move. Diet 65%. I got 3 bombastos. Wait. Die. Wait. Only 2. Bro, what? Carrots. Bro, don't even have farm animals. Hey, I don't know where am I, but bro, you already got diamonds, bro. What do you need? What did you need?
Woo!
You,
I don't think.
bro, why? You need your house.
Yeah.
Bro, you just said you don't need something but your house you need.
Yeah.
So you was very dumb. Bro, last time you lost your house.
You broke my house?
So,
Seriously?
sorry. Oh,
You're a bad.
bad people. Well, you're just a bad guy.
I'm not a guy. I'm a girl. Oh, then Gray is a bad guy.
Oh, maybe Elsa and Anya are bad. And you. No, let's just not talk about this. I'm going to find your house and destroy that house.
Okay, I will tell that to her. Yes. Yeah, what you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do?
Oh, what am I going to do? I already see a white guy. That's named Player. That's the real name starts with A, and the second name starts with A, and the middle name is Q.
Okay.
Bro, I found you. Ah, yeah, look, you're going to see my name tag.
I will say that. Tatay! Tatay! Kuya, isisira daw bahay ko. Minecraft. O, wag daw. Tati, sinira na agad.
Wait lang, papalakin ko. Oy, akin yan.
Akin to. Aba, umalis ko sa bahay ko. Kapag bahay mo.
Oy, yeah. water bucket. Thank you for the water bucket and I'm going to trade you with the snowball.
Tatay, si Kuya.
And can I have this water bucket?
Susumbong na nga ako doon.
Okay!
Alam mo,
Aya, I'm so sorry but I have to do this but I have to kill you. Aya, you can't kill me. You can't kill me, Aya.
nakakairita ka. Mag-jeep na nga ako.
I'm just joking, sorry.
Alam mo, di pa nga ako nakaka-respond eh.
I What you mining? Aya, look, I'm going to have my purse. Ah! 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 You wasn't that! I'm going to hit you with my lucky axe. Ah! 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 No, no, chill. Chawawi ka! Ay! Oh my! Kaaway!
Kaya bawal ka nun. Bawal sa bahay ko.
Aw.
Bawal sa bahay ko.
Pwede ba magawa ng ano room mo?
Bayo ko.
Yok lang, yok. Hindi ko magagawa ng room mo.
Hindi, wag di ko.
Aya, this is a sheep. And I kill it. Ah!
Ay, ikaw pa talaga. Ay, iba pala. Kumaba. Kumaba.
You tried to kill me. Now get over here. Your house. Your house.
Okay. Meron pa akong mga shit na
Goodbye.
Ano po?
Kaya chill. Kaya chill. Ah! No.
Welcome back again to my house. Wait lang, may gagawin.
You become my World War student. No! Ayaw ba't ka diamond?
Bye.
Give me your shield.
Wait lang. Sheep lang. Sheep.
Hoy, tari ka.
Wait lang, bibigyan pa ako madami sa'yo, sheep. Please. Bigyan mo lang ng 3 seconds.
Ayaw, sataduin kita nitong pickaxe ko.
Okay.
Ayaw, malakas to.
Ito na.
Malakas ba to, Aya? Malakas ba to? Wait, no! Ah! I'm going to hit you with my lucky axe. Ah!
Lucky shot.
Ah! No! Oh, you sure about it?
Ito na nga, ibibigay ko na
Wait.
nga.
Oh! Aya.
Ibibigay ko na nga.
Okay. Give me 9. You're tax collector. Aya. Hey, come back here. I'm going to run. Retreat.
Bahay mo na bahay mo. Yan dito.
Ay, sabihin mo nga.
Bakit?
Wala, meron kang sinabi sa akin. Tae. Joke lang. So, sorry. I got a dog. Doggy. Hello, doggy. His name is Kuka. Hello, Kuka. Cookie. I mean Cookie. Hello, Cookie. Wanna go out some awesome adventures? Come on. Ding, 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 ding. Okay.
Kan ikaw at yung dog mo. Papatirahin kita dito. Diwag. Diwag. Ayaw na kita patirahin dito.
Okay. I am going to make an army of dogs. Yar!
Wait. You say, yar!
Har, har, har. Wait, what is army? Ar.
Wait. You say, our mom's friend. Our.
I got 2 dogs. How many dogs have you got?
Magmayawad eh. Kaya hindi maniwala.
Eh, isipin mo. Mas malakas pa ako o ikaw?
Abay ako.
Really? Wait. Ba't ka pa sobrang lakas? Paano ka mas malakas?
Ay, malamang.
Aya. Nag-trading kami ng dog ko. So, be careful ka, Aya. Ba, matalo ka.
Bakit ka ba?
Ang gagamitin ko lang ay kamay ko. Aya, kamay mo versus axe mo. Kamay ko. Talo.
Sword lang.
Wait lang. Papaupo ko muna itong mga bagets. It's Cookie. So, Aya, ready ka na? Ay, wait! I'm going to put it. No, wait. Now, teleport to me. That's right. Okay, Aya, so... Aya, no! Aya, what you even doing down there? Okay, timer starts now. Aya, hit mo ko. Hina!
Okay, I put that.
Ay, I'm so sorry, Pat. Nag-training tapos...
Potion!
No! Trika! No! Oh, sure about that?
Ay,
No.
akala ko ba kamay mo lang?
Ay, oo nga, no. Ow! Oh, my shield! My shield! No!
No way to run, baby.
Doggies. We have to run. How to Ah! No! No!
Lang.
If you kill it, I'm going to explode your house.
Bakit? Mahingkap sa dog.
Oh.
Kuya! Tulugan mo ako dito!
Bala ka na dyan. Wala na sila.
Kaya buhay sa bahay ko. Sumabog.
Oh. Ay, nakita ko yung first crafting table mo.
Tingin.
Ay, tignan mo, kawawa na.
Abay mo naman. Ay, hinabraw ng zombie.
Sabi ko,
May zombie! May zombie!
o pala. Oh, thank you.
Ay, sabi ko, ano na zombie?
Anak ko.
Ay, ba? Ako na ikaw. Kasi ako ay lalaki. Gagamitin ko bed po.
We, sure ka? We. Pag ginamit mo yung, nagamit mo na agad?
Hindi.
Sabi daw ng bed ko, ikikil niya daw. Sabi ko, okay. I say okay. Don't use my bed. Naturally, pupunta ako sa nether.
Seriously. Wala ka pa nga ikot. Active ba, kuya?
What?
Ibigay ko tong, axe sa'yo pag mabait ka sa akin.
No, I don't need your axe.
Dahil ko ng axe.
No.
Hindi, wag. Okay ko. Now. Ay, tatay, nasaan si nanay? Gumagawa ka na ba ng bahay?
Pero, nagagawa pa lang ako.
Sinungaling mo ba?
Oo. Naturally, Aya, pumunta ako sa Nether. Ito. Pumunta ako. Aya, tignan mo kaya yung ano mo. Bro, I am going to defeat your world. Because I am king. Ah! Skeleton! What? Oh, just skeletons. Wow. That's easy. Bro, where did I spawn? Bro, I have to be safe here. Maya, don't go to my portal, okay?
Yeah, I will go to that.
No.
I will do that.
Oh, you really want, huh? Well, okay, you can go, but one thing, don't ever say I'm a loser again, okay? Maybe very soon I'm loser. I'm just not so loser, but
Wait lang.
no, why? No, I am ready to get back to the Nether. Ooh, Aya! Aya! It's because of you, Aya! Aya, why'd you do that?
Ano yan ang ginawa niya?
Ow! Okay.
How
Ah! No! Aya, why you do that? Ano po?
Kaya, tama na yan. Tama na yan.
Ice A.